Hey, fisher folks, fisher friends, I'm out on the ice again. I'm catching these big old slab crappies. To tell you the truth, this is the first one I've caught today, but I'm super excited about it. I just saw it actually happen on my underwater camera. He just swooped in, nailed that thing. There we go. Haha! He just swam right up and took it, man. Woo! We got a tiny mess. So I'll tell you what else we got. We got a slab crappie. That is a nice crappie. And yes, SK, Cam, I'm keeping fish today. Gorgeous. Stick around. I'm gonna get some more. Woo! Let's get another one, huh? And I can see there's fish. You can see there's fish below. Alright, down we go for another try. There's a fish. Haha. Cool, that was a cool shot. Ooh. There we go. Looks like a nice one. Ooh, that's a nice crappie. That's a real nice crappie. In my shack. Ooh. Look at this big, beautiful bastard. There's another one down there. I gotta measure this hole real quick. There's another, got another 13er. Another 13er. What do you think about that? Man, good looking fish. Excellent crappie. Heavy. I see you down there. Oh, I see you down there. Why you tease me like this? I need one more slab. I need it bad. Just need one more slab. Slow day, but good quality fish. Not a lot of fish. Good quality. And tomorrow, I've got a special guest. It's going to come ice fishing with me. Chances are you probably already know this guy's channel. Does a lot of river fishing, but tomorrow he's going to come out and join me on the ice on this pond and maybe on the main lake. So I know you don't want to miss that. I don't want you to miss that. If only there was some way you could be notified when a new video becomes available so that you don't have to miss anything. Oh wait, I know how you can do that. There's a subscribe button below this video. If you click it, and then click the bell, you'll get notified every time I publish a new video, and you won't miss anything. Now, I'm trying to look out for you here. It don't cost nothing but a click. There's more down there, y'all. I gotta get them. There's more down there. I gotta get them. There we go. Come on, that's it. Get up here. Yeah. There's another nice crappie. Little while. I see you there. I see you. Very finicky today. Very, very finicky today. Okay, I'll have her give you a call. Thank you. Bye. Fisher friends, sometimes life gets in the way. I got half a hog waiting for me at the meat locker. They want to know how I want it cut up. So I'm going to have the wife give them a call, because obviously I am occupied, man.